Hi there. We would like to invite you to a very exciting workshop on prayer. Now, prayer is a fantastic tool that God has given us because this helps us to know His goodness. It helps us to know that He really loves us, and through prayer we actually see His power.
The best thing about prayer is that anybody can do it. You don't have to be a certain age. It's something that we can teach our young children to do too. The topics that we're going to be covering at this workshop are what is prayer and how to develop a culture of prayer, and then practical ways of how you can do prayer at home, at school, and in children's church. And then we will be talking about prayer as a family.
So as you can see, this is the kind of workshop that you don't want to miss. So if you are a parent, if you are a teacher or working in children's ministry, then we want to invite you to this workshop. So the details are, it's going to be on the 6th of April. Lynette, am I right?
6th of April.
6th of April at 9 o'clock in the morning until 12:30.
Registration from 8:30.
That's very important. Be there on time at 8:30 and we start promptly at 9. And then the venue is at Journey of Grace. And of course, the tickets are 100 Rand per person. And we ask that you'll buy a ticket via Quicket. And the link is below this video.
If you want to sponsor somebody who can't afford to come themselves, then the link will be there too.
Yes, that is really important. There are so many people who would like to attend our conference, but they come from areas where they can't necessarily afford it, and we feel like we want to be generous and invite people who really want to be there. So we want to see you on the 6th of April at Journey of Grace at our workshop.
Bye!
Bye.